close till I get out.
The health department found the vaccine after 3 months of research. But the radiation still too dangerous in the NYC, especially New York. Please still in your house because outside is too dangerous to be step in.
The American Broadcasting Company, ABC.
An ABC News Brief, now from New York, James Walker.
The vaccine for the crisis of the NIC had been researched.
This is the EAS that launched because of the crash. Still, this has been terrifying for most of people in New York after 4 months of scare. Department of Health of the United States finally found the vaccine for injected people.
Thank you, Sarah. Next.